Last week I turned 40 years old. We had a big celebration. About 55 people came to the party. It was everyone who has helped me. I felt so loved. I saw the woman who gave me my dog Reba. I saw my piano teacher and all the people who visited me in D.C. when I was in a coma. What can I say about that war? Nothing about it was memorable, or should I say, good memories. It was hot just about every day. Even though I felt like I was part of a mission, to me it seemed pointless. Near the end of my second tour, I was in a convoy in Kuwait. One of the trucks got a flat tire. I got out to help, and a car ran into me and 3 other soldiers. My body was crushed. I almost died. It took me 8 months to wake up. I was partially paralyzed. I couldn't speak or eat by myself. I went from hospitals to nursing care to rehab. For 15 years now, I've been doing everything I can to get stronger. I go to a fitness class every Monday and Thursday. They make me work hard. I like to paint and draw, and I love swimming. I feel so free. There's not much pain. I'm supported. The water is like a balloon, waiting for my body to move, holding me.